Do you want to build wealth quickly? Then stop asking, how can I get rich fast? Ask, how can I become more valuable fast? Let me tell you about Noah. At 28, Noah had $1,800 in savings. He wanted $1 million. His first thought was investing. He calculated how long his tiny savings would take to become a fortune. The answer disappointed him. So Noah realized something important. His biggest problem wasn't his investment return. His biggest problem was that he didn't have enough money to invest. Instead of spending the next year searching for the perfect stock, Noah spent 6 months learning a skill businesses already paid well for. He practiced after work. He contacted potential clients. Most ignored him. A few said no. One finally said yes. His first project earned him $400. It wasn't life-changing money, but it changed his thinking because Noah had discovered something more powerful than saving another $20. He had learned how to create additional income. He improved the skill. $400 became $1,000. $1,000 became $3,000. Eventually, Noah was earning thousands of dollars beyond his salary. But this is where many people make the mistake. They earn more and immediately spend more. Noah didn't. He kept his lifestyle almost the same. He divided his extra money between building an emergency reserve, diversified long-term investments, and growing the small business that was increasing his income. Then something powerful happened. His skills created income. His income bought assets. His assets began producing more money, and his business gave him ownership.
Intriguing.
Noah finally understood the wealth equation. Increase income. Keep the gap. Buy productive assets. Build ownership. Repeat. There is no reliable shortcut that turns ordinary savings into a fortune overnight. Trying to get rich too quickly is often exactly how people lose money. But you can accelerate wealth building by increasing the amount you can consistently earn, keep, and invest. So, if you're starting with almost nothing, don't spend all your energy trying to make $1,000 grow like $100,000. First ask, how can I become valuable enough to earn the next $10,000? Then don't use that money to look rich. Use it to become an owner, because the goal isn't simply to make money faster. The goal is to build a machine where your skills create income, your income buys assets, and eventually your assets help buy back your time. That's when you're no longer just earning money. You're building wealth.
If this helped you, subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who wants to build wealth.